Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix battery drain issues in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To begin, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. Once the Settings window is open, navigate to the System tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, select Power and Battery. Please be patient, as this page may take a moment to load. Now we will explore the available options one by one to optimize your battery performance. First, locate the power mode setting and change it to best power efficiency. Next, adjust your screen and sleep timeouts. It is recommended to set these to an average time rather than never to conserve power. You can also choose to turn on Energy Saver for further battery savings. Finally, keep a close eye on the battery usage section. This will allow you to check the current status of your battery life and identify any applications that might be consuming excessive power. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.